Don't ever be afraid of giving your life to Christ. Don't ever hesitate and say, if I give my life to Christ, what will happen next? That is definitely the wrong way of approaching the Lord. No one loves you more than Him. No one will ever love you more than Him. No one is faithful and loyal like Jesus to you. Never ever be afraid of the very person who died for you to save you. Do you think He's going to come back and hurt you? Impossible. He shredded Himself on the cross for you and me. He will never hurt you. The end result